Have you got the problem of when you press T for text and you start typing, it comes out vertical? Well, let's fix that. We press the text button, we start typing our text, and you see it's vertical. What's going on? And it's doing this every time by default. So annoying, because when do you want to have it vertical? It's always horizontal, right? And you might be confused because you've got to like click this at the top, and yeah, you've got a horizontal, but it's like a one-time fix. When you open Photoshop again, then you find it's vertical again. It's like really annoying. So what we need to do is we need to go to the where the text is here. You'll notice it's set to vertical type tool. So what you need to do is put it on horizontal, and Photoshop will remember, no doubt, every time. So now every time we do text, it comes as horizontal. So now just keep it at horizontal, and your little irritation should be fixed every time you open Photoshop. I hope that helps you. Please subscribe for more videos. There's a lot more little tricks and tips coming, and all the best in your projects and your work. Peace.